Happy birthday to you, my sweet Jacqui. I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Blessings to you as you celebrate another year of God's grace and goodness. Love you much. Have a wonderful time on your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Queen Jacqui. I hope you have the best birthday you ever celebrated, girl. This is your girl Maxine checking in, and I want to say cheers to you on this your big day.
Happy birthday, Jacqui. I hope you have a bono day tomorrow. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, dear Jacqui. Happy birthday, sing along now. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, dear Jacqui. Happy birthday. The feast you go have a bashment there, you know. And we can't miss that because you rum cake and all the niceties. Oh my gosh, me can't miss that. Anyway, you enjoy tomorrow. Have a fabulous day. And make sure you thank God for make you see this a day. Yeah? Alright? So enjoy yourself. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, dear Jacqui. Happy birthday from.
Mr. Jacqui, you celebrate your birthday today. Yeah, get old. Yeah, get old. But guess what? From Satideh morning running crew, yours truly, Lady D Dea, I say happy birthday to you, my love. I know God has spared your life to see this day. So we're going to rejoice. We're going to eat cake. We're going to put up balloon. All kind of something happen, you know. But it's your birthday. And you are at a good place in your life. We give God thanks for taking you this far. And you are a part of us. What can I say? Things are on for you, my dear. Happy birthday, Jack. Me love you.